Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern World Online Computer Training. We shall begin today's training by reviewing our progress so far. How far have we reached? Shall begin with the computer basics. We are done with what is a computer. Basic components of computer is done. Starting up of computer is done. And under operating system basics, we are done with understanding the desktop using keyboard and mouse, Windows and applications. We are done with this. And under file management, which is our module 3, we are done with understanding folders and files, creating, renaming and deleting, moving and copying files, then searching files. This is done as well. And so far, our progress, we are on 48%, not bad. Today's session, we shall go to introduction to the modern world internet. Let's embark on a journey to understand the fundamental concepts that power our connected world. This guide will introduce to you the internet, web browsers, and URLs. What is the internet? The internet is a vast global network of an interconnected computer network. It allows billions of devices worldwide to communicate and share information using standardized protocols. We have a laptop, we have the world, and we have the cloud, and we have the smartphone. All this is connected by the internet. So it is a network of networks, enabling communication, information sharing, and access to the services across the globe. Let's have a quick look on the web browsers. When you hear the word web browsers, what are the web browsers? A web browser is a software application that allows you to access you and interact with information on the World Wide Web. It is your window into the internet. Okay, some examples of the web browsers, we have Google Chrome, which is popular for its speed and vast extension library. We have Mozilla Firefox, known for its strong privacy features and customization. Then we have Microsoft Edge. Microsoft is modern browsing built on Chromium. And then we have Apple Safari, the default browser for Apple devices, focusing on performance and privacy. All right, if you open the gate, you access premises. So to access the internet, you have to open the web browser and then you will be on the internet. URLs, that's a uniform resource locator. It's the address of a specific resource on the internet, like a web page or an image. It tells your browser where to find what you are looking for. This is interactive URL breakdown. This is what the components of the URL. Number one does https://. That is like the initials www. Then we have example.com. Then slash the products, the category, the item, and the HTML. HTTPS, the scheme, it indicates the protocol used to access the resource. HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure is the most common and secure protocol for web pages. A link that starts with HTTP without S, meaning it's not secure. So S stands for secure. About www, an option part that specifies the subdivision of the domain. And this is the common but not always present. The domain name, like if it is www.modernworldcomputers.com, the Modern World Computer part will be my domain name. That's the unique name that defines a website or organization on the internet. And .com are the last segment of the domain name, indicating the type or country of the organization, e.g. .com, .ug, .uk, .gov, which is for government, and many others. And the products category specifies the exact location of the page or resource within the website structure, similar to the folders of your computer. And then the item.html, the specific file being requested on the server. This might be a web page, an image, a document, or other resource. Discover how to navigate websites, find information using search engines, and save your favorite pages for easy access. That is what we're going to look on right now. And navigating websites, moving around the internet, is simple once you understand the basic tool. Links, browse buttons, and the address bar. And this is a clear example of the link. It will be on https://www.example. It's told where there's example, you can put Modern World Computers and then .com/home. Okay, so if this is the welcome page and you want to go to the next page, if you want to go back to the welcome page, you just press back. Now you go to the home page. Forward about us, where you were before, then contact us. Those you can move to the pages using the following buttons. Now, using the search engines. Search engines are powerful tools that help you find the information on the vast internet. Just type what you are looking for and they will show you relevant results. For example, if you type here modern world computers, they will show you the top tech gadgets, latest headlines, then online learning platforms. I'm adding another tab. You can open any web browser that you have on your computer, go to the search engine and make sure you use the clear words when you're searching. For example, I'm searching about modern world computers. And when you search on the internet, they show you the links. If you click on the links, these are the links that direct you to where you want to go. For example, if I click here, Modern World Computers YouTube, and here we are on the Modern World Computers YouTube channel. Open any browser on your computer or on your mobile phone, type there Modern World Computers. If you click on the link, you'll go straight here and make sure you hit the subscribe button and we can go together on this journey to teach the world how to use the Modern World Computers. Thank you so much. It has been Erasmus Johnson with you, and see you in our next video. Bye.